In this video, we're talking about the one-page site that can increase your affiliate conversions by double, triple, or more immediately. Hey, I'm Dan Pine and welcome back. That's right, we're going to talk about how by putting a one-page site in place that is super easy to create, and I will even give you the template for this, you can increase your affiliate conversions by 2x, 3x, or even more. I'll also tell you how this can lead to unlimited sales forever, basically. And more on that in just a minute. But what is this one-page site that can increase your affiliate conversions so dramatically instantly? Well, it's something that we call a bridge page, and you may have heard of this before. But when promoting an affiliate offer, and in particular, I like to use this when promoting webinar trainings that someone else is instructing on, I like to create a bridge page in between that sends my visitors there so that they see my face. They get a little pre-sell of what to expect in the training, and it builds trust and credibility. I'll put a video there, a headline, and here, I'll just put up one of these bridge pages here on the screen so that you can see. There might be an attention-grabbing pre-qualifier at the top, a headline, maybe a subhead, then a video definitely where I tell them a little bit about what to expect. I may even tell them about a bonus that I'll include if they actually purchase the offer at the end of the free training. And then I'm going to show the credentials and the picture of the person who's doing the presenting. And at the bottom, I've got an email that they can email in for support or contact. And then important links are the privacy, terms of use, and income disclaimers. And that is it. It's a very simple page. It's got a couple buttons on there, a timer, and it's a very simple page, but it serves to build a lot of credibility. It serves to put you as an authority and partnering with this person who's doing the instructing on the webinar. It may even be an automated webinar. So how does that give you unlimited sales for life? Well, the way that this can give you unlimited sales for life is that most affiliates make the mistake of direct linking to an affiliate offer. And even if there's a webinar registration, they just direct link to that webinar registration. Well, the problem with that is that if that person doesn't take up that offer immediately, or if they don't attend the webinar, or if they do attend the webinar but they don't purchase and they fall off, you've now lost the opportunity to make a sale to that person. But by sending them to a bridge page, you have the opportunity to capture their email address and now have them on a list where you can contact them over and over again over time, providing value to them, sending them to more of these free trainings. Maybe this one wasn't the right offer for them, but obviously they're in the market and they're interested, so there's a great chance that another one will be something that'll be perfect for them, and you can continue to build trust, goodwill, and a relationship where they like you and they want to take your advice on something, and the chances are great that eventually they're going to take an offer. And often in this market, it's going to be more than one offer. These people are repeat buyers. How do I know that? Because I'm one myself. You can see my shelves are filled with books. I've also got a computer filled with courses and online Rolodex of different courses on online marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, lead generation, all those types of things. This is a very hot market where people buy over and over again. So use this, take this. If you want to see one of these in action, you can click the little card that just popped up or click the link below in the description to actually see a live example of this. And I encourage you to follow all the way through. Actually, go ahead, watch my video, attend the training. If you take that offer, there is a free bonus that I explain on that bridge page. If not, no pressure, no worries. Now, if you like this, hit the like button, leave me a comment, be sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to be talking about what makes for a great affiliate program. And I'm also going to be sharing with you exactly how you can find your first great affiliate program and get signed up to promote that. All right, take care, subscribe now so you don't miss out on that, and watch the next video now.